Good morning, guys. My name is Sharma from the Sharma Clinic, and today we are talking about Teoxane's Redensity 1 in combination with the V2 Beauty Booster treatment. A lot of people come to see us from all over the world, and one of the main questions they always ask us is how can I not age, or how can I slow down aging? And of course, aging is inevitable. We all know this. But there are certainly some things we can do to slow this process down and to look our very best. So how does the V2 beauty treatment work? What we are doing is we are microneedling the skin at a very high intensity using this device. This device comes from South Korea, the home of skincare innovations. It's suctioning the skin nice and tight, and then it's injecting the dermis to a depth of 1 millimeter, 0.8 millimeters underneath the eye. It's a whole facial treatment, and the small microneedling channels will lead to new collagen formation over a period of 6 to 8 weeks. And why is this important? Well, the great news is it's going to stimulate your own production of collagen and slow aging. At the very same time, we're injecting in Redensity 1. And this is a cocktail of hyaluronic acid, which is not cross-linked, which means this is not going to give you any volume to your face, but it is going to give you fantastic hydration, which is so important for younger looking skin. Because as you've all seen, when your skin ages, it looks more sunken, more flat and more dry. It comes in a vial like this, which is sterile, and this is 3 cc. And this contains all your antioxidants and vitamins, which are integral for skin homeostasis. So whilst the machine is actually microneedling you, it's also injecting in small microaliquots globally, forehead all the way down to the jawline, underneath the eyes as well. Let's just talk about other uses for this procedure. You can also use this on the neck, on the hands, and virtually any part of the body which you feel is aging, looking more crepey, or you'd like a bit of a boost. Personally, I use this every 4 weeks. Sometimes if I have a big event, every 2 weeks. For example, this Sunday I have a talking event in Calgary, so I'm going to perform a treatment on myself today. Personally, I'm a little bit addicted to this because it's natural. I'm not changing the architecture of my face. I'm not going to be giving myself more volume. It's anti-aging, it's preventative, and it's great for your skin. If you want to consult at the Sharma Clinic for the V2 beauty treatment, just ask them for what Anil had done to his face, because it works.